It's Grayson, back with another video. If you're new, welcome. If you are not, then welcome back. If you are not already subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. And if you are not following me over on Instagram, please head over and follow me on Instagram for much more content. I do videos here on YouTube twice a week, and then I try to be sure I'm putting content on my Instagram pretty much every day as far as like posting stories, posting about products. I do creative makeup looks over there. I've been trying to do like one creative look a week, which I think this week is probably not gonna happen. But anyway, lots of stuff goes on over there, and then now I've moved my videos over to here. I'm wearing my new Jeffree Star, I think he called it like the cotton candy tie-dye hoodie, and this whole color scheme is like everything to me, and so I just had to have it. And I've never ordered any of his like clothing items, so this is a very heavy duty hoodie. So for the price, like if you're looking for something that's heavy duty, go for it. And it is very warm. I'm already very warm, but I decided since I wasn't gonna do makeup in this video today, I'm just not really feeling the vibe of like doing my makeup today, it would be a good time to wear this so I don't get makeup all over it because it's white. So we get no makeup Grayson today, but I thought this would be a good opportunity to film my August BoxyCharm unboxing video. So just a nice little mellow unboxing today. I hope that is okay with you guys. That's what I did on my last unboxing too, because I was like needing to get content pre-filmed. So I'm thinking what is going to start happening is like my BoxyCharm unboxings will be bare face. It just gives me an opportunity to film something where like I don't have to do makeup if I don't feel like it in that moment that day. Because do I love makeup more than everything? Absolutely. But I do have a lot of time where like I don't feel like putting makeup on. So I just put on some lip oil because your girl's lips are dry. But we're going to get into our August BoxyCharm. I'm going to stop yapping. So we got our little card, and it says, just obviously says BoxyCharm on the front, and then it says spa, glamping, sunbathe, yoga, slumber, and it has like s'more stuff, and it's very like campy vibes. So I guess this is like their like, I want to say like summery camping kind of vibe theme on this box. So the first item in the box we have is QMS. So QMS Meta Cosmetics, I'm sure everyone already knows this brand is a pricier brand. So this is the Active Glow Tinted Day Cream, and it says a lightweight sheer color adaptive cream with vitamins, helps to blur imperfections to reveal visibly glowing skin, glowing even skin, my bad. The combination of a skin perfecting light tint and hydrating formula makes this an ideal day cream, and it retails for $105. QMS is always pricey, so $105 this guy retails for. I have not opened this at all to see like what it looks like. And each one of these I'm noticing, and I think this has happened in the past, but I never pay attention. They give little hashtags that you can use, and so it says hashtag QMS glamping. So the theme is glamping, and this is it says to tag BoxyCharm glamping for a chance to be featured if you like, you know, do a look with the products from the box. And this is what it looks like. Variation 15 is the box I have. So for this QMS cream, I'm going to go ahead and roll up my sleeves, and it's one of those, it's like it's a tube and then it's a pump, and we are going to see, oh, okay, you can't tell on camera, but that looks like, it says it's supposed to be adaptive, but that looks so dark. And like that, when that pump came out, it was quite a bit of product. I wasn't really looking to like get that much product just then, but it looks, it's like very dark. Adaptive, my, you know what, because your girl is not that tan, and it doesn't even, like, the lighting on the camera doesn't show, but like that's really orange and dark. It's very, very tan, And I'm trying to see if like, this would turn me into an Oompa Loompa. It smells like your grandma, like grandma lotion. That's disappointing. And especially because like obviously they know that I am fair because I have all my stuff filled out. But this for me, like if I were to put this on, it would be like a tanning moment, and that's like not really what I want. You can see how like dark it is. I really hope I don't. I'm like trying to make sure I remove this and don't get any on my brand new hoodie. But that is really kind of sad because that I don't see that adapting to my skin. It's very orange, and you would think with something like that you would be like lighter. That's a real bummer because that's obviously like an expensive product. Like it's the highest value product in our box this month, and I'm actually very disappointed. I hate that, guys. I don't want to be disappointed all the time with these BoxyCharm items. Doesn't look like Grayson will be able to use that because unless I'm like going out to get a tan, that's really dark. Like how and why? And that's the other thing is like it came just like this, not in a box or anything. It doesn't give a shade or anything like that. It just says Active Glow Tinted Day Cream. Like that's it. And I don't know, just that's kind of a bummer, kind of a little bit of a bummer. Second product we have is the Butter London Teddy Boy eyeshadow palette, and it says a highly pigmented 9-piece eyeshadow palette featuring highly versatile cool tone neutral hues. Create an array of looks with the matte, shimmer, and metallic shades that complement all skin tones. Touch-ups are easy thanks to the small, easy to carry mirrored compact. And this does look like a cute little palette. As far as the packaging, I did like open and look at this. It looks like this, and the way it opens is like this. So the mirror is like teeny little baby on this side, and then it says looking good darling, looking good darling on the other side. And it is a very, like I said, it's like neutral, so you have like, you know, some like gray, black, brown, that sort of situation. I personally don't think I would get use out of this palette, so I am not going to get all in it because I'm going to put it in my giveaway bin. I'm attempting to start putting together like a big bundled giveaway for my 1,000 followers on Instagram. Right now we are at, I want to say like last time I looked, we're like a little over 900. So if you're not on my Instagram, I would head over there because at 1,000 followers I am going to do a big like bundled giveaway. So we're going to go ahead and put that into our giveaway bin. And our next product, this was something I looked at and I was kind of bummed about. It's the Clarins Velvet Lip Perfector. I just bought the Clarins Lip Comfort Oil, and I'm obsessed with this. So when this said Velvet Lip Perfector, I thought maybe it was another type of like lip treatment or something. Oh, and this palette retails for $28. So this is the Clarins Lip Perfector, and when I started reading it, it says Clarins best-selling natural lip perfectors go bold with a new matte finish, a liquid lipstick with a weightless mousse texture that delivers a highly pigmented velvety finish with soft blur effect. Formulated with conditioning and nourishing shea butter, leaves lips feeling hydrated for hours, and it retails for $26. So it's a liquid lip, which is not what I got from a Velvet Lip Perfector. So I had opened it up and wanted to take a look at the color because I was like, all right, it's a liquid lip. And so I barely squeezed it. You can see I barely squeezed it just enough to see the color. And it's like a darker, more like pinky red. I don't want to swatch it because I'm going to put this in the giveaway. So I have not touched this at all. I squeezed it just enough to see what color it was, and that's it. So I'm gonna put this also in my giveaway bin. Unfortunately, like, it's not looking like I have a lot of products for me in my box this month, but it does help because I am trying to put away like a good amount of like giveaway stuff for some lucky follower to win for our 1,000 follower giveaway. So we're gonna put that with the palette. It looks like a beautiful color, it's just not a color I would wear. So like, why am I gonna keep it to myself when someone could enjoy it? And then we have this was what I was excited for. This is the Aesthetica Sunset Bronzer. And I've been having so much trouble talking lately, guys. Anyway, so this is the Aesthetica Sunset Bronzer. It's the perfect shade of amber to bestow a beachy glow without even stepping foot in the sand. The rich coppery tone lends just the right amount of color for a natural looking tan, and it retails for $24. And it was this like perfect kind of more cooler tone bronzer, which is what I need in my super pale life. And so like, this is my go-to bronzer from ColourPop, and you can see the two side by side are pretty similar in shade, and I even think this one's a little bit warmer. So I tried this the other day and it blended beautifully, it went on beautifully, and it was super pretty. So this was the product out of the box this month that I was like, this is for me, this is mine. So I enjoy that. It is a nice formula. I've never tried anything from Aesthetica before, so nice little bronzer moment. And then our last thing that we have in the box this month was a ESW Beauty Raw Juice Cleanse Mask set of 3. So it says restore and renew your skin with these raw juice inspired sheet masks. This set of 3 masks will provide revitalizing, moisturizing, and pore control functions similar to a multi-day juice cleanse. Get the best results by targeting each skin concern with individual masks. And they retail the set of 3 for $18. And I thought the packaging was so cute because it looks like a bottle of juice, as if you were to do a juice cleanse. So they look like bottles, and they look like this. And this pink one, which is like super cute looking, it is watermelon, rosewater, grapefruit, and this is the moisturizing one. I am allergic to rose water, all that business. So this mask is going to go into the giveaway bin, so someone will receive this sheet mask in my 1,000 follower giveaway. So we've got 3 products out of this BoxyCharm that are going into our giveaway bin. And then there's a pineapple, kiwi, pear, and ginger revitalizing mask, and an H2O activated charcoal lemon juice pore control deep detox mask. These 2 I am super excited to try, and I am going to use them. So maybe I will try to like do a mask situation over on my Instagram. So we'll do like maybe an IG live or IGTV little mini video of one of these masks or both of these masks whenever I decide to try them out and see how they are. So that was all of our August BoxyCharm. Was it terrible? No. Was it great? No. Everything with BoxyCharm is very hit or miss, but I did get some, I feel like, what are some good products that I can give to someone else that they will enjoy. And our overall value of the box this month is $201, most of that being that $105 QMS cream, but it's $201. This is the BoxyCharm base box, so it retails for $25, and like with tax and all that, I pay like $27 and change a month, and you get 5 products in your box. So it's usually pretty worth it for at least 1 or 2 of the items. Sometimes you get lucky one month and like all the items are great, or there's like, 3 out of 5 that you're like, oh, this is really good. But it's just kind of the gamble you play on subscription boxes, like what you're gonna receive. But overall, I've enjoyed this box a lot because it is like full-size items. I had Ipsy for a long time whenever I first started out like enjoying makeup, and that was all sample sizes. And then Ipsy, like, I don't want samples anymore. I have no interest in a sample. I hate to say it, but like I have 0 interest in a sample product. and so I quit that and then got into BoxyCharm, and I've tried so many different brands that I haven't heard of from this box, so that's something I enjoy. And then every once in a while you get like that super awesome product that makes everything like totally worth it, and I spend way more money a month on like so many other things. So for $27 a month to like get different products and get to try things and stuff, it's worth it to me. So if you don't have a large makeup collection, if you're wanting to get into makeup and try different brands, and you are like on a budget, this is a good way to do it. They also have other levels of the box, so you can get more products, more stuff, just depending on kind of what you're looking for. And it's just a good way to accumulate some product. I have had some months where I'm like, what is this? But again, when you're doing subscriptions and stuff, you don't know what it's going to be. It's the gamble you take, but there's always like good brands, good stuff in these boxes. So that was our August BoxyCharm unboxing. I know this is like my BoxyCharm unboxings are kind of my smaller videos, but it does help to let me film and give me a little bit of a break. So I hope you guys enjoy the BoxyCharm unboxings. If you have any questions, let me know. I've had BoxyCharm for a long time now. I want to say like a couple of years. Oh my god. Sorry. I burnt my tongue earlier today, and I just like caught it with a tooth and it hurt so bad. But anyway, so I say yes on BoxyCharm. Even when I have months that are off, they're not like bad, it's just stuff I won't necessarily use. As an influencer, if you are an influencer, it's good to, like I said, I just accumulated a few different products to throw in my giveaway bin. I always love to have stuff that I can hopefully rehome to someone who will get use out of it. So for, as it like coming from an influencer's perspective, it's also worth it to like have something that I can give away. And I do want to like really get a bunch of products before we hit that 1,000 followers on Instagram, and like really have like a super bomb giveaway for that. So again, if you're not over there, head over there and follow me on Instagram, guys. Do it. But I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys on the next one. Our next video is going to be a lot more entertaining, and I will be physically putting makeup on my face and will not look like this. So stay tuned for that later this week. And I already said I love you, but I love you so much, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.